take a look at this 2002 Ford F-150. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 139,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and premium wheels. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.